Hey, Red. Hey, Blue Yoshi. Hey, guys! What's going on? What'd I miss? Steve, will you please? Yes, sir. Ah! I'm bored. Are you bored? I'm bored. Hey guys, every day's a sunshine, lollipops, and rainbows day. Get off of me. Ah! Ow. Dude, why'd you make Pansage cry? Didn't mean to. Too violent, man. Too violent. 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 Stop saying that, foe. I'm sorry, Pansage. I'm sorry, foe. I'm sorry. I just get too angry too sometimes, foe. I'll be right back. I gotta go take a pee. At Pansage. This is what you get, Blue Yoshi. Okay, everybody freeze! Oh gosh, dude. Okay, Pansage, put the gun down. Pansage. No, I don't want to. Blue Yoshi has to pay. No, put the gun down. Foe, I said I'm sorry. They're not sorry enough. Oh, foe, my nose. Foe. Oh, my nose. Pansage. Hey, I'm gonna say I'm sorry. We're gonna be equal now. I'm sorry, Blue Yoshi. I'm sorry. Foe, you shot my nose. What? Oh no. Oh.